Okay guys, hey, it's Katrina, it's a free ride. Today I will be showing you, so please subscribe, turn that notification on, and like this video. So there was a horrible dust storm last night. 2 nights, actually, because I had a dust storm and then we had a horrible one. And the bad news is that it knocked down these chairs that were supposed to go into the ground. They were, and yeah, so that's how strong it was. And then you know how that all that dust and like all that crap, well, it's in my pool. And you know me, I'm not gonna clean it, my parents are. So yeah.
We're gonna dive down to get those stuff.
We're gonna dive down to get those?
Mhm.
We're gonna dive down to get those?
Yeah, those big sticks.
Oh heck no. Heck no.
Yeah. Heck yeah. No,
Get away from me!
no, when we get home, when they get home,
When they
they're
get
gonna
home.
clean the top out. They're gonna clean the top out before we get in.
This is my little baby. Little rat. Little
Hi.
rat. Grayson, record me. What's up, guys? Look. She's like a rat. We call her Prissy. Weird name, by the way. But this is what I did this morning. I was like, oh, geez, it's a rat. Hi, big dummy head. So handsome.
He's still handsome.
Wait, they went to come get Chunk.
What?
So, like, my aunt and her boyfriend are not together. And they have a cat and a dog. And I think they went to go I think they took Chunk away. And that's the dog's name. And the cat's name is Mally, who's terrified of my cat, Zoe. And I will show you my cat, even though Hurricane Katrina ruined my pool and took the chairs out of the ground. I might have to fix this stuff, so, because I'm grounded and I might have to clean this. So, cross my fingers, I don't have to. Hey, she's all waiting for me. And then, oh, okay. And then we have the demon, who's Mally is afraid of. The demon who wants to go outside. This demon. She really wants to go outside, but no, I told her no because it's actually really wet outside, so. And you know, cats hate water. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know. Wait, we haven't checked the front yard. What the heck was that? No, what? Okay, and just come on. Suck it up. I have no shoes and I'm walking on the ants. Well, I'm not walking on them, but they're right by the cracks, so I'm just walking over the crack so I don't break my mama's back. Morning. Good.
Ooh, a fluffy doggy.
They're going that way. So that means something's going that way. We gotta run
They're
that
going
way.
west.
I think so, they are.
That's west right over there. West is West Mountain right over there.
Yeah, and I will be posting TikToks, just letting you know. It's Crazy KK5, and with the KK it's C-A-Y, and then another C-A-Y. And then a 5, how you spell crazy is C-R-A-Z-Y. RAZY as that, and then the CAY, and then 5. And yeah, I will be posting a lot of TikToks. Well, I was, because someone came on my phone and deleted TikTok. And now I'm at my mom's house, so she downloaded TikTok for me, and yeah, I will be posting almost every day. So yeah, bye.